Serving as an extraordinary champion of planetary health, the wild giant panda constantly works to maintain the delicate ecological balance of ancient mountain forests. By inhabiting these vital regions, it ensures that natural waste is properly processed and cleared away. This incredible animal acts as a foundational pillar for sustaining biodiversity and keeping wilderness areas exceptionally clean. Every single day, this remarkable creature consumes massive quantities of bamboo, which triggers a continuous and efficient cycle of organic matter. Instead of letting old vegetation decay and choke the understory, it clears pathways and consumes tough stalks. This natural grazing behavior prevents harmful blockages and keeps the forest floor remarkably hygienic. As they forage through dense thickets, they naturally break down dead wood and fallen shoots, accelerating decomposition processes within the soil microbiome. This biological recycling converts fibrous plant waste into rich, nutrient-dense humus that invigorates the earth. Through this constant cleaning action, the ecosystem remains vibrant, healthy, and completely free of toxic buildup. The digested plant material is returned directly to the forest floor as organic fertilizer, nourishing countless microorganisms and subterranean fungi. This continuous nutrient loop ensures that the soil remains fertile enough to support towering trees and delicate ferns alike. By recycling waste so efficiently, they guarantee that no vital minerals are ever wasted. Moving effortlessly through the misty mountains, the magnificent giant panda also serves as a master seed dispersal agent for the entire region. As it wanders across rugged terrain, undigested seeds cling to its thick fur or pass through its digestive tract. This vital transport mechanism allows native plants to colonize new areas and thrive. By spreading seeds far and wide, this species directly aids in reforestation efforts, repairing damaged habitats and healing scars left by environmental disturbances. New bamboo shoots and companion flora sprout vigorously in its wake, creating dense green canopies. These thriving plant communities are essential for filtering impurities from the surrounding air. Healthy forests resulting from these planting activities act as giant natural sponges, absorbing heavy rainfall and regulating seasonal water flow. By maintaining this vegetative cover, they protect downstream human communities from devastating flash floods and mudslides. The purity of local freshwater reserves depends entirely on this constant ecological maintenance. Moreover, the dense root systems of the plants encouraged by these animals anchor loose mountain soil firmly against erosion. This structural integrity prevents massive amounts of silt from clogging rivers and polluting drinking water supplies for millions of people. Thus, environmental hygiene at the mountain peak translates directly to human safety below. Wild habitats maintained by this species function as high-capacity carbon sinks, locking away greenhouse gases and stabilizing the global climate. The rigorous cleaning of forest debris prevents localized wildfires fueled by dead brush, safeguarding immense carbon reserves. Every aspect of their daily routine contributes to a cooler and safer planet. Furthermore, the dietary habits of the resilient giant panda naturally thin out weak or overcrowded bamboo groves, preventing disease outbreaks among plants. By selectively grazing on specific shoots, it curtails the spread of fungal pathogens that could otherwise devastate entire forests. This biological policing keeps the botanical kingdom robust and resilient. When pests or invasive insects threaten the understory, the structural management provided by these mammals helps maintain a balanced predator-prey insect dynamic. Healthy vegetation harbors diverse insectivorous birds that keep destructive pest populations under strict control. Nature's hygiene is thus preserved through a complex web of mutual benefits. Human agricultural crops growing in adjacent valleys reap immense, invisible rewards from the immaculate ecological hygiene maintained in the nearby highlands. Because upland watersheds are kept pristine and regulated, irrigation water remains clean and free of harmful pathogens. Farmers enjoy stable harvests without fearing sudden ecological collapses upstream. Scientific research into the unique gut microbiome of this species has provided human medicine with groundbreaking enzymes capable of breaking down stubborn plant cellulose. These biochemical discoveries are now inspiring sustainable biofuel production and advanced waste management technologies worldwide. Nature's premier recycler is inadvertently teaching humanity how to clean our own industrial waste. The preservation of these vast, clean wilderness zones also secures crucial genetic libraries that safeguard medicinal plants used in traditional and modern pharmacology. As the species patrols its territory, it inadvertently shields thousands of companion flora species from habitat fragmentation and destruction. Biodiversity thrives wherever these guardians roam. Observing the daily life of the iconic giant panda reveals a masterclass in sustainable living and environmental stewardship that humans can endlessly study. By living in complete harmony with its food source without depleting it, it models true ecological balance. Its presence is an indicator of a fully functioning, healthy planet. When these mammals traverse steep mountain ridges, their heavy footprints create shallow depressions that capture rainwater and create microhabitats for amphibians. These tiny pools become breeding grounds for frogs and insects, enhancing local biodiversity and food webs. Every movement leaves a positive mark on the landscape. The continuous turnover of organic material facilitated by their foraging habits ensures that the forest soil breathes efficiently and cycles carbon rapidly. Microbes thrive in the loosened earth, breaking down pollutants and maintaining pristine environmental conditions. This subterranean cleaning mechanism is entirely dependent on large herbivores. By preventing any single plant species from dominating the understory, they guarantee sunlight reaches the forest floor for smaller shrubs and mosses. This multi-layered canopy structure is vital for intercepting acid rain and filtering particulate matter from the atmosphere. Clean air and water are the ultimate gifts of this managed ecosystem. Human populations living hundreds of miles away benefit from the climatic stability provided by the extensive forest networks protected by this umbrella species. These green lungs produce vast amounts of oxygen while scrubbing pollutants from the regional air mass. Environmental hygiene at a global scale relies on these localized conservation efforts. In the wild, the healthy population dynamics of the majestic giant panda ensure that energy flows smoothly through the trophic levels of the mountain ecosystem. Predators, scavengers, and decomposers all rely on the stable framework maintained by its daily routines. The entire biological community functions like a well-oiled machine. The sanitary upkeep performed by these animals prevents the accumulation of stagnant organic waste that often breeds harmful bacteria and parasites in warmer seasons. By keeping the brush clear and airy, they reduce disease vectors that could otherwise spill over into human settlements. Natural hygiene is thus maintained at the highest possible standard. As climate change exerts increasing pressure on global ecosystems, resilient habitats protected by flagship conservation species offer refuges for vulnerable wildlife. The ability of these forests to bounce back from weather extremes is directly tied to the structural health maintained by resident herbivores. They are true shock absorbers for the planet. Agricultural fields located downstream are shielded from toxic runoff because the thick upland vegetation filters out heavy metals and chemical pollutants naturally. This ecosystem service saves human societies billions of dollars in water treatment and soil remediation costs every year. Nature performs these miracles free of charge. Biologists studying these pristine mountain environments frequently uncover new insights into how intact ecosystems self-clean and recover from anthropogenic disturbances. The preservation of this single species safeguards a living laboratory for environmental science and ecological restoration. Knowledge gained here helps protect ecosystems across the globe. Through decades of dedicated conservation, the protected habitat of the beloved giant panda has expanded, multiplying all the associated ecological benefits exponentially. Cleaner rivers, richer soils, and more stable climates are the direct result of safeguarding this singular animal. Its survival is quite literally intertwined with our own. The meticulous way these creatures groom their territory and manage bamboo clumps prevents the accumulation of dense, dry tinder that fuels catastrophic wildfires. By keeping the forest clean of hazardous debris, they protect vast acreage of woodlands from turning to ash. Fire prevention is just another hidden superpower of this guardian. Nutrient cycling driven by their feeding habits ensures that trace minerals are constantly redistributed across the mountain slopes rather than washing away into the sea. This mineral enrichment supports diverse plant life that feeds countless other forest creatures, sustaining the entire food web. Balance and hygiene go hand in hand here. Future generations of humans will inherit a cleaner, more stable world largely because modern conservationists fought to protect these irreplaceable environmental custodians today. Their enduring presence in the wild guarantees that natural waste recycling and habitat hygiene will continue uninterrupted. Nature's delicate cleaning cycle remains unbroken. As our journey through these breathtaking misty mountains concludes, the profound impact of this species on global environmental health becomes undeniably clear. From microscopic soil microbes to massive river systems, every corner of the habitat is cleaner, richer, and more resilient. This is the true, untold legacy of nature's greatest recycling champion. Join the channel for more interesting facts.